Legal disclaimer. Do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Hello everybody, we are on to trade number 49. Now we're doing 2 trades today. It is the last trading day of the year. So we just did a trade on the best performing stock of 2023. Now why are we doing this? We're choosing random stocks with random methods and showing that you can make money by position management alone. Showing that the exit is more important than the entry. So we just did the best performer. So we're going to go on to the worst performer. And I thought this little girl in stock footage was so adorable that she's given the thumbs down. We're going to find the worst performing stock of 2023. And look, we might go long, we might go short. We don't know yet, but let's go find it. Here we are in FinViz going to the screener. Remember, we want to make sure it has enough volume, over 1 million shares. We want to make sure that it's also over $10. And we also want to take out any ETFs. So I'm going to do stocks only. It's very simple. I'm going to go to the performance tab and we are going to sort by performance for the year. Let's go ahead and see what is the worst performing stock. Oh my goodness. Down 99.69%. MULN Automotive. All right, let's go check this out. This is a nasty looking stock here. All right. Now look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this stock. All right. So this stock was at $10,000. Now I see that they've done a couple of reverse splits here. So here they did a reverse split. One for 25. And then here they did a reverse split, 1 for 9. And then here they did a reverse split for 1 for 100. Okay. So look. You know, I guess I could skip this one, but look, it fit the criteria, it fit the parameters, it fits everything. Look, this is a penny stock at this point. They've just done reverse splits so they can keep listed on the NASDAQ. You have to be above $1 share price to be listed on the NASDAQ, so companies will just do reverse stock splits to stay above that price. But this is the trade. We're going to go ahead and do it. Oh my goodness, the volatility on this one is insane. So the market price is $14.83. And take a look at this ATR. ATR is $3.28. That means that this thing on average moves about 20% a day. This is crazy. But this is the trade, and if we take a look at this moving average, it's sloping up. I'd much rather be short on this, but it is sloping up, so we are going to be long on this one. So let's build the trade sheet. Today is December 29th, last trading day of the year. MULN long 1483. And these trade numbers are ridiculous. Again, that ATR is so crazy. But take a look at where our initial stop is going to be. We're going to buy it at 1483. Our initial stop, 827. And look at our targets. This thing, again, is absolutely bonkers, but here's why using ATR for position sizing works so well. This is going to make our position size very, very small. So we can let this thing run around and do this whole thing. It's going to be the same as every single trade based on the trade's volatility. So let's go find out our position size and make the trade. Check in first for our account value, 104,576. So 104,576. So we put in 104,576. Our risk is 1% on all trades. Our entry, 1483. Our stop at a ridiculous $8.27. But look, that's what the trade demands, so we do what the trade demands. Oops. Put zeros on here. Hit calculate. And as I said, it's going to... Ooh. That's too small. So as you can see here, I put in the wrong number here on account balance. It is 104,576. Okay, that's the right number, 159. So you can see this just makes our position size a lot smaller. Let's go make the trade. All right, putting in MULN. All right, our position size, again, we're going to buy. Our position size was 159. I'm going to go ahead and put a limit price just right up above. Look at the spread on this thing. Jeez, a 14-cent spread. Ugh. So look, I try to just get in. This spread is I'm going to try to cut this down as much as possible. So I'm going to go 14.76, just 1 penny above the midpoint. We attach our stop, and our trailing stop 2x ATR was $6.56. $6.56. This trade is silly. It's just ridiculous. But look, it is what it is. The great thing about using ATR, it adjusts for everything to where it literally makes this the same as every other trade that we've made. All right, I may not get filled right away on this. The spread is pretty wide, but let's go ahead and hit submit. All right, so the order is out there. It is not filled yet. So you can see the bid and ask is now 1470 by 1884. I'm going to go ahead and walk my order up a little bit to 78. Let's see if we can get filled at 78. Surprising that's not getting filled yet because we are well above the midpoint on the bid and ask. And there we have it. Oh, we've been filled with 10 shares. Still waiting for the rest of it. This is where I should pipe in the Jeopardy music to wait and see. The worst fill I ever got while we're just sitting here waiting. The first fill I ever got, I was trying to buy 1,000 shares and I was filled on 4 shares. And then the stock ran away from me and I didn't get anything else. And I remember thinking, who is out there trading 4 shares? I was so mad. Like, who is just trading 4 shares? Anyway, I had to turn around and just sell the 4 shares. Ended up costing me more commissions than the trade. All right, I'm going to go ahead and march this up a little bit more. We'll come up to the midpoint here again, 1481. All right, I'm going to go right to the ask, 1483. Let's just get this done with. We got filled on some. Nope, we are filled. We are filled on everything. So the fill price ended up being 1482.6. So we'll round that up, 1483. And that was exactly where we drew everything up. So we know the drill. We are going to do nothing until that 2x ATR profit is hit, which is all the way up to $21.39. And then if it gets up to $28, we're going to adjust it again. And again, you don't do anything. You can sit there and watch it. Great. This is the last video of 2023. Everyone have a great New Year's, and let's go get 2024. Bye, everyone.